Hey everyone, this is Ryan with My Tennessee Home Solution. I'm sitting at the closing table with Shirley, and we just finished purchasing her property in Greenbrier, Tennessee today. Shirley, could you please share with us a little bit about the situation that caused you to reach out to us?
Sure. Basically, I own the property with my daughter and her husband, and they moved to Maine, and there was work that needed to be done on it that I nor them needed to get into, and so we wanted to try to make a quick sale as is, and so that they could go on and do their lives in Maine.
Absolutely. And how would you say the process went versus what you expected?
It went much better than I thought. I thought that I would be hassling with different groups and different potential buyers, but it was pretty straightforward. I mean, from the very first conversation that I had with Brandon to the closing here today, it's been pretty smooth. The communication has been great, and I feel like I was treated with respect and fairly. So it was a great experience.
Awesome. Well, thank you for sharing that.
Okay.
And if this story resonates with any of you all, please don't hesitate to reach out to us and give us a call at 615-933-5431 or check us out at mytennesseehomesolution.com. Thank you.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.